Hey, hello, welcome to the channel, and this is going to be a night shift blog or vlog. Lights going off. How do you turn the lights on? That one. Yes. Put them on there. Oh, you can see a bit better now. This is going to be night shift vlog number 2. Got a phone call this afternoon, a bit of a late, last minute one, that he needs a wagon out tonight. So I've got keep a shield. I'll put that there. I'll get my stuff ready. Keep a shield tonight for 9 o'clock in ND19, which is the Scania that I usually get. And yeah, I'm just getting me kit ready. Got my tablet and a bit of chocolate. Chocolate's important. My head torch. I'll put this on now. Yeah, so as far as I know, I'm over Dumfries area I need. We'll find out when I get to the quarry. Headphones, they're handy to have in case I need to ring someone, because it's easier to use headphones because I can use hands-free. Power pack and Gopro box. And I put all this in my proper bag and we'll get into the wagon. Well, I'm in the wagon now. I have to admit, it is nice to be back in ND. Card in, and then get the card in. I can do my checks. Click. Winner. Right, let's get the checks done. Well, that's the wagon prepped. I have done all my checks. I've prepped the body. Everything's hunky-dory. And I am now sitting. I've got to be at the quarry in about an hour. So, I've got Smokey and the Bandit on. I'm not going to play it because I don't want to get copyrighted. Oop, I better turn that down. Okie dokie, hunky-dory. Oop. Oh, I get the armrest back doing this thing. It's just lovely. It's lovely to drive this next gen Scania like. So I've got my bag there, my bag full of stuff. My body warmer's on that seat for the minute. Everything's on charge that needs to be on charge. I've got my cup of tea, some water in here and now. That's a nice thing to be in, like, I have to admit. Seats are nice. They're comfy. It's got DAB radio. All the bells and whistles, this one. It's well spec wagon, this one, so yeah, she's a lovely piece of kit, this one. Aye, she's even got nav as well. Got all of it on aye. She's a lovely piece of kit. She's as much as I'm a Volvo man. Between MMA and LVX, I'd take LVX like. Well, I'm up at the quarry and I'm just about to go and dust up, get the dust on, and then I can be ready to bugger off doing the road. Well, put my dust on, then go down to the tar plant, get the tar on, and then go and doing the road. Under the plant now, I have got 3-1 ton on in a minute. Pardon me. So I'll just get my tar on. I've got 10mm hot roll on. I don't know if you can see us or not. 10mm hot roll on, and then heading up to the. Hold on, I'll put that light on. There we go. And I'll head up to the weighbridge, and then me and the other lad that are on tonight are heading off in convoy over to Annan. Just north of Carlisle, over the. I think it might even be over the border actually. It might just be. Yeah, it'll be a nice one, I think. Well, we're en route. We are in convoy. We're running convoy with, it's only me and the other lad on. I can't remember, he gets put Prague if I remember rightly. Can't remember now. He's driving for Norman Bale. So we're on the way to Annan, which is up on the west coast. So let's get westbound and down. Well, we're on the M6 now. It's heading northbound. The nav says I've got about 5-6 kilometers before we turn off, I think. I don't know. It says we're going to be there in about 15 minutes, which is nice, apparently. Hunky-dory, yeah. I'll quickly throw it on a time lapse while the road's nice and smooth there, because otherwise it just bounces and falls lower. haven't done a very good job of putting the road closed sign out. They've told me to wait here, the road closed sign's there. So now everyone's coming up, and I'm not allowed to go in there because I'm not. So, just gotta wait here, and I think I might see about having a snooze. Still waiting to hear what's going on, so yeah. We're being sat here for 2.5 hours now. I have had an hour's sleep. So I was second wagon, because I'm last wagon. I threw it on bed and jumped into bed. Had a nice hour's sleep, and then got up. Now I'm on the paver. Well, I'm not on the paver. I'm waiting. It's patchy in work, this job, so I'm doing roundabout entrances. So I just put the tire in and then pull off, and then he does the bit he does, and that's about it, to be honest. And nothing really special about it. Just, yeah, you can kind of see the. I don't want to get told off for filming, so you can kind of see the thingy there. There's a sweeper there. I'll probably get in the way of that sweeper now. Well, that's me done and dusted. I am on the way home. Just following diversions which are falling over, and this is going to be fun in a wagon because I can't go out the way that I came in. So, woohoo! Just follow the diverted traffic signs, and hopefully I'll get out. Yes! No waste as well. Absolutely buzzing about that. Otherwise, I'd have to run back to Middleburn, and yeah, now it's straight shot back home. Get in. But I'm just on the way back, and I've had to turn around from the diversion I was going because that diversion needs you to a dead end. So I've just gone through a housing estate at 2 o'clock in the morning for no reason. So now I need to find another way out because I can't go the way I came in. Man, oh well, I'll find a way out. Sorry, residents of Annan. Sorry, residents of Annan. Woohoo. That I don't have to do the waste tonight, because if I had the waste on, it's 2:30 now. I've had, to be fair, I'm not feeling bad because I've had about an hour and a half skip. When we got on site early, and then they weren't a fast bunch, shall we say, and I've had about an hour and a half sleep, plus I had a dose of keeper shield as well, so I got there about an hour early as well. So I've had a nice little bit of rest tonight, which is nice. Sometimes you don't get that. But yeah, if I had the waste on, it would mean I would have to run from here, where I'm on the way back now. I'm going to diesel up at Low Row to Shell Station. I'll probably just go to the toilet and get myself a drink while I'm there. Just come up the roundabout, so I'll knock the retarder in. And it's like a, oh, I've got them on. Yeah, that makes it really bright for the signs. I can see how Roy doesn't like driving with them on. If I had the waste on, it would mean I would have to run from here, diesel up to Low Row, and then I'll be across the military, and then back up past Keeper Shield, past the quarry to Middleburn, and a bit, and then off the beaten track to Middleburn. Middleburn, I think it's about 7 to 9 miles along a single track road. I think I tried to get some footage in it last video. It's just a single track road. It's not a particularly nice road, whatever. So I'll be getting all the way down there, find a place to tip it in the yard, and then taking this all the way back to Hexham. But because I don't have to do that, I can diesel up the row, straight along the 69, all the way home, get the car, and toddle off the way home. I should be home for about 4 o'clock, I think, if I'm honest. Yeah, you gotta take the rough with the smooth. It wasn't a hard job, that one we were just on. They've got good lights on these next gen Scanias. There's no light bars on this thing. But yeah, so it was just like, I back onto it, I back onto paver, tip a bit at a time. It was about 3 to 5 ton at a time. And to be fair, they got it absolutely bang on. They had 40 ton there, and they'd used 40 ton. I think they might have had like 1/4 of a ton left over, if that. They've got transit pickups there, so they could run that back. Don't need me, I can get myself away home. Absolutely buzzing. Proper winner. Woohoo! So I'll stop filming this bit of the driving now, because otherwise it's going to be a really long video. And I will come back to you when I'm back at the yard and loading the car up to go home. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Get these pennies in, pay for this wedding. Woohoo! I can't wait to get married. I'm so lucky to have Kimmy. She's awesome. She is awesome. Proper awesome. Well, I'm back. I'm just about to jump in the car, so I'll knock it on the head for now. I am going to call it a video. And I hope you're enjoying these little videos. They're just nice to do. So, yeah. If you're liking them, don't forget to like them, subscribe, and hit the bell notification and all that jazz. And yeah, and hopefully I can get a lot more of these done, and it'll be better soon when there's more going on. And yeah. We'll catch you all in a bit, and I hope you're all doing well.